So Crew Console now has a deep search feature where not only can I search for an employee's name by typing it in, we also can search for employees' notes underneath their names. Now these notes, of course, the employees can't see about themselves. What happens here is any kind of note, video, or attachment that you store in here, you can look that up. So in this case here, I stored OSHA 30 and expires 10/20 of 28 underneath Nathan. So if I wanted to find out all the people that have OSHA, I just start typing OSHA in here and it's going to filter the list by all the people that have that as a note. So if I pull up Tim, we'll just take a look at that. So you see that's here. So it's a good way to quickly search for people that have the same note underneath their name and filter that by that note so that you can schedule them according to whatever that note is.